It's a very handy little side table that comes in a brownish color. You can adjust it however you want with 2 small buttons, and it can magnetically hang up anything you want to put on it. It has a strong suction power, and it's very versatile and simple. There's also a rotating cup holder on the side. You can use it as a bedside table or a small stand next to the sofa. You can read and study on it, or even eat and play games. It's really nice. Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Best Buy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.